Hello and welcome to another tutorial boiled down. Today I wanted to show you how to get A-Stream working with Kodi on Android. Now I have moved up to Android TV and I'm using the NVIDIA Shield, but you can still get this version of Kodi. It's a fork version of Kodi, which is called SPMC by Koying. Now I have put the link to that build in the description if you want to get that up and running first of all. But if you want me to do a video on Kodi Krypton version 17, just let me know and I'll do that for you straight away. So anyway, let's get going. What we need to install here today is the A-Stream app, which I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. It's the APK file that you'll have to install. You have to install Castaway and you have to install Plexus. So the first thing we need to do here is add a source. So we'll head over to Settings and File Manager. And you just simply add a source here. We're going to name that. And the URL we need to add in here is fusion.tvaddons.ag. And then select Done. And we want to name it. We want to name it Fusion. You may have this installed already. If you do, not to worry. Once we've got that named, we press OK. And now Fusion has been added, as we can see there. So the next step we want to do is we want to install. So we go System and Settings. And we go to Add-ons. Install from zip. And let's head over to Fusion. And what we're looking is to Kodi repository, English. And we're looking for XBMC hub. So all the way down to the bottom. And there we go. 1.0.7 zip. So we can see down the bottom right that that add-on has been enabled now. So we have to go to install from repository. And we go to TV add-ons. And we want to go to program add-ons. And we're looking for Plexus. We need to install Plexus. So install. And the add-on has been enabled, as you can see in the bottom right. So now what we need to do is we need to install A-Stream. When we want to watch something on A-Stream in Kodi, it always has to be running in the background on Android. So close this down. And what we want to do now is head over to our browser. Now once you're in the browser, you need to go to wiki.astream.org. I'll put a link down in the description. Just head down here to A-Stream 3.0 and we want to go for Android. You can see it here, 1.3. And for some reason this is appearing in Russian by the looks of it. But what you need to download is the second link here, which says only engine. So now what we're doing is downloading the A-Stream APK file, which we'll be able to install on our Android device. Now we're going to open the file, install. Now what we see here is the setting to allow unknown sources is actually disabled at the moment. So we need to go back and we need to enable that. So unknown sources here. So you go through security and unknown sources enable. And now that that's been enabled, we'll be able to install the app. Okay, let's open the file. Install. Yes, indeed. Okay, now that the app has been installed, we just want to quickly open that. Now that that's been completed, we can close the app. Well, we just need to back out, so the app is still running in the background. We need to make sure that the app is still running in the background there, or else it won't work through Kodi. So the next thing we want to do is open up Kodi again. And what we want to do is go to Programs, Program Add-ons, Plexus. You want to go to the add-on settings and you want to head over here to A-Stream and make sure the A-Stream player type here, it's more than likely going to be on all add-on or one of those, or maybe just the official ACE player. But what you want to do is keep scrolling until you get to external app and Kodi player and press OK. So now that we have A-Stream installed and we have the Plexus add-on installed as well on Kodi, what the next thing we need to do is we need to be able to play some streams, because you can just simply go in and add the link if you want, but sometimes that's a little difficult when you're on the Android device. So what we need to do here is we need to install another add-on called Castaway. So we've already added the Fusion.tv add-on source. So the next thing we want to do here is go to Systems, go to Settings, you want to go to Add-ons again, and this time install from zip, and we're going back to Fusion, and you go to Kodi, English, and we want to go to NATKO is what it's called. There it is, 1412. Now that add-on has been enabled. So the next thing we want to do is go install from repository, and you go to TV, or you go to NATCO 1412 repo. You go to Video Add-ons and Castaway. Install. Now Castaway has been enabled, so that will be, it's like a link aggregator, so that'll be able to pick up the A-Stream links for us. So let's go have a look at what Castaway looks like and how it can play the A-Stream links for us. So as you can see here, you can go directly to live sports, and if we go to live football, for instance, it's going to give us a list of the games that are coming up this evening, which you should be able to play. We've nothing live here at the moment, but I'll go and find a link here just to show you exactly what it looks like. So this is an A-Stream link of the Atletico or the Atletico versus Barcelona game last night, just to give you a quick look at the type of quality we're looking at here. So that's it, A-Stream on Kodi, working on Android, and as I said, it works on Android TV and the NVIDIA Shields. So if anybody wants a tutorial video on this process for Kodi Krypton, which is version 17, just let me know in the comments. You'll find all the links you need for this in the description as well. So hopefully you found this helpful. Bye bye.